Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a poll on YouTube on mobile. And this is quite simple. And first of all, I need to tell you one thing. You can only create a poll on YouTube if you have 500 subscribers. So keep this in mind. And if you have 500 subscribers, then the thing that you need to do is click here on the plus icon. Then click on post. Then click here on this poll icon, and right now we can choose if you want to add a poll with images or text. Then we click on text, and right now we can ask our community, how are you guys doing? Then we can do something like fine or something like bad. Now we can add more answers by clicking on add another option. Add another option, so you can add as many if you want. Now for me 2 answers are fine. And right now you can choose here the public, so all channel members or just for everyone that is watching or checking my page. And right now if I click on post and I click here on view, you can see here the poll on your channel. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.